She's really sick.
Let's support her and put thumbs up so she could get well.
And today we play Safe Challenge.
Wow, you don't know the rules of this challenge. Here we have a safe and we have different stuff inside. We don't know what is there. A task, a surprise, something disgusting, something eatable. We don't know. But we'll have to deal with it if we draw paper with the right password.
I don't know why you didn't subscribe yet. Because you don't know the password. Okay, it's 1455. What is there?
Oh!
And now you can subscribe us.
Have you subscribed? So we can start.
Why is there only 6 papers?
Because the correct password is hidden somewhere here. 5 incorrect passwords. Oops.
Okay, I want to win. I think this is the right.
Ooh, who knows? I bet on this one. It's like a school exam, actually. Oh yeah, so we're gonna try. You first.
Okay.
It's your mobile phone password.
No.
Okay, I'm gonna try to break in with my 9, 8, 6, 5. No! No!
Yeah, you figured.
No.
1, 3, 3, 4. And you?
Oh, are you ready? What is there? We found a treasure.
Oh, it's really heavy. Okay. And how can I eat it?
I don't know, you have fingers.
I have fingers. Okay. How can I open? No. You see? My ring.
NANI?!
Secret armor.
Okay. I can eat all jar.
Oh my god, you can make a sandwich with 2 fingers and Nutella inside. I also want 1 jar of Nutella, so please, let's go to the next one.
I see there is 4 and I think it's not really good.
Okay, so here we go. Oh, let me be first. 4, 5, 7, 7. Oh!
No. Okay. 9939. Okay. 9939. Yeah. You see?
Lucky finger.
Ah. What is?
What? Enjoy it.
I should eat it.
Somebody says sausages contain it.
I know that in this time it's really necessary.
After a jar of Nutella, you know. It's your paper! It's your paper! Enjoy it!
Okay guys, what is your favorite number? Write in comments. I prefer this. And you?
I like this too. Actually, I wish it could be my car number, you know, like swag.
Need a life for the ideas, I'm in the splash zone.
Let it be mine, please.
Who first?
You open the Pandora box.
Okay. No. Okay.
Maybe finally I'll be lucky. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I want
This.
wait.
Finally. Why? Just why? Happy breakfast. 3 red hot chili peppers. Okay.
It's for my paper, you know.
Your paper? You didn't eat your paper. Excuse me. It's actually good. You want one?
Yes. I think it's spoiled.
I don't know. Mine is normal, just a bit spicy. I'm sorry. Oh, maybe we could get a piece of pizza actually. Just, you know, to make a sandwich or something.
Yeah, I want another dish. What about pizza?
This is unfair. This is just unfair. I've lost 2 times and the 3rd time I get pepper.
It's not my choice, sorry.
It's your choice. You pick up the right passwords. Pick one for me, please.
Okay. I wanted this for you.
Thanks.
I went first.
Here you go. Oh my god, maybe she guessed. Maybe this one is the correct one. Okay. 5, 2, 2, 1. Pick once again. This.
4, 5, 4, 2. Okay.
She picked a good one for me, thank you. Unless it's a toilet paper. So the correct one is 3, 6, 7, 8. And open.
Now close your eyes. Oh my god, it's good.
It's good?
You can see.
Oh my god, it's a goddamn burger. Great. Oh.
I see this cheese. I see.
I guess everybody knows how it tastes, right?
No, I didn't.
Look, this is the last person in the world who didn't eat piece of heaven. Oh my god, how come? Look, there are 2 pieces of meat here, a lot of salad, some pickles, tomatoes. Oh, it's so good. You prefer Nutella burgers? Okay, I got it.
See? What is it? It's the number of devil. If only Vita was here.
Yeah, do you remember her with horn?
Just one bite.
Okay, so come on. So you want this number?
No.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
No.
Let me try the devil number. 6, 6, 6, 3. He doesn't want to help me.
What is more beautiful? Oh my god! Mine is prettier than yours.
Pretty
Okay.
number. Oh, pretty number. Walking down the street. 4, 3, 2. Yeah.
Don't look.
No, I will. It's a goddamn giant broccoli. Really? What should I do with it? Plant it in my garden? It's like a tree.
Oh my god. Be careful, please.
I don't know. I should eat it.
Yeah. It really doesn't smell good.
Broccoli that tastes like broccoli.
Really good.
I guess we're really getting ingredients for a pizza. Broccoli, pepper,
Pineapple.
toilet paper. What else do we need?
Nutella.
Pizza with Nutella?
Yeah.
Ew.
You know, I tried sweet pizza and it was really good. With marshmallow and with Nutella, and it was with bananas and it was so good. I want something sweetie.
Broccoli with sugar.
You know what? Yeah, we will play real game. Real strong man.
With the toilet paper. I guess this will be our punishment. The one who loses this turn will be wrapped in toilet paper.
Yeah, well, I like this number. People who were born in 2005 now are 15 years old. Can you imagine?
I cannot. And I like this number. People are not born in this year yet.
Oh my god!
Wait. Is it real?
You didn't see? No.
You're a gangster.
I can do this only once. But how?
Don't lose it.
You know what? You lose, you're a loser. So, what should we do?
What should you do? I'm your victim. I'm your hostage. Please. Are you going to feed me? I'm afraid. People.
So what? You see? What will be with you if you will lose? You see?
Fashion.
My money. Oh, I really want to buy something. Guys, what would you buy if you have $100? Write in comments below. Are you comfortable with it?
No. Hug. Smash.
You're really angry. Do you want something? If
No.
you don't... It's good. It's number of God.
Why?
Not this. Free. It's number of God.
Error. Try your number. Try.
Like symphony.
No. Okay, let me try mine. Maybe it's not lucky, but
free. It's mine. Okay. Please. Why? No.
I'm afraid actually. What if it's a task or something disgusting?
4, 6, 4, 1.
Winter here.
Vita.
I said winter.
But I remember Vita. Vita is always in my heart.
Yoo-hoo! I'm afraid this is not eatable.
You know what you're gonna do? It is the punishment, and you have to put it in your clothes.
Oh my god, why I'm punished 2 times in a row? Okay. Okay, I try once again because it's...
It's magic.
Keep it! Ta-da!
Another one. No, I have an idea.
I don't know. No. Here we go. Okay, we're back to this game and... One more $100?
Okay. I want. Yeah.
Wow. What is there?
Oh yeah.
Lucky her.
Guys, what do you think? What is there?
Maybe a stone. Wow. It's like you're making a proposal to somebody. My god.
Something went wrong.
Let's see.
It's Donkey. Remember
Really?
our old friend Donkey?
Once again the same donkey. Why it's coming back? How many donkeys will you get? Okay, donkey says, looks good. I'm puzzled. It smells weird.
It smells like cheese.
Spoiled cheese? Lucky number. I don't want this.
I don't know. Maybe I won't. Maybe I don't. Okay, 6, 3, 1, 9.
Oh my god, what if it's mine? 4, 4, 1, 1.
No. This.
No! Is it the first time when nobody wants to win? 3, 4, 5, 7.
Okay, don't look. I want to see. It's
Water
punishment.
gun.
It's for you.
Oh, wait a moment. I will show you how to use it. I got the right password, so I can use it as I want.
No.
Yeah.
No.
I don't know. Let's let our subscribers decide if it's fair or not, but I got it. It's in my hands. Fine. Hello.
Bye. No.
Are you ready to suffer?
No,
Are you ready for pain? Do you want
no,
to
no.
shoot her actually?
No,
Oh,
no,
you
no,
want? Okay. Let our subscribers punish you.
Why?
Uh-oh.
Yeah, but what are you doing? I'm
Sorry,
wet.
I had to. I guess that's enough. Let's go to the next one.
Are you happy, guys? It's only because you're our followers. So, okay, I don't know, maybe something sweetie, and I'll be happy.
What do you think is there? Would you like to rub this?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do this.
Me first.
No!
1, 2, 2.
Okay, my chance.
We're like flesh.
It's my lucky number. No.
Something sweetie.
Yeah!
No, let's see.
No! No!
Oh! I can open for you.
No, please. Please do.
Tabasco.
It's an extremely hot Tabasco habanero sauce. I feel like we're in Mexico. Oh, I should unwrap it.
You know, in Mexico are really hot guys. It smells good. It smells like
What?
like tomato, like pepper.
Smells like fire, guys. It should be spicy, I guess. Oh, it's not working. Okay, let's go.
No,
to the
no,
next
no,
thing.
no, no. I can help you.
2 hours later.
I think it's enough.
Let me try. Let's pray I'll be alive and
No,
finish
no, no,
this
no.
video.
Just eat it.
Actually, it's very salty.
It's not hot?
Actually, I've been to Sichuan in China, the place with the spiciest food in China, so I've eaten a lot of stuff and nothing is spicy for me anymore. My god.
It's hot. It's really hot. What?
Because it's summer coming! Okay, we're back after this Mexican attack.
I don't know how she ate it. Really, I don't know.
You breathed it in? Ooh. Okay, this one, for example.
I won't eat your food. I won't.
Don't touch it, please. See, I've told you it's meaningless. Okay, let's try 4, 5, 15. See, lucky hand. Unlucky hand. No, there's nothing.
Oh.
What should I do with this?
It's a Lamborghini?
Yeah. I don't know, I can take a picture like this is my boyfriend's car.
It looks so good.
It's a pink one. Wow, look. Oh. Close the door, please. It's my car. So sorry, but actually I like cars. I like sport cars a lot, especially Audi.
What is your favorite mark of car? Write in comments. And mine is... maybe it's like retro car, you know? It's really good.
With this number.
Mugshot.
Okay, what do you think will be the final one?
Please, cake. Please, please, please. Give us cake. Eva, let's compare our prices. I have Nutella.
While you're gonna eat it, I'm gonna ride my purple Lamborghini.
I can buy your Lamborghini.
Do you think I don't have these papers? I have enough of these papers.
You know it's mine. And it's mine.
And who's gonna get this?
Me? I want 9865.
Oops. Let my car decide. Let's see. Oh my god! Oh, I wanted something sweet. Oh, hello, little donut.
Can I buy it?
You cannot bite it. Do you want to bite it? Let's check which flavor is it. Do you think it's coconut, raspberry, meat,
Potato?
No flavor.
Oh.
That's just without feeling. But it's actually good. It's damn sweet and I love this kind of finish.
It matches to your lipstick.
Oh, thanks. So I guess it was a good game despite ice and water guns and toilet paper and chili pepper. And what kind of games do we play here? Oh my god.
I'm worried. I didn't get this donut. I wanted this donut. And I really wanted this donut.
Maybe next time.
Yeah.
Okay guys, we got enough gifts for today. But you know what's the best prize for us? Your thumbs up.
And don't forget to subscribe our channel. We really need it. And smile more.
We love you.
Thank you guys so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. And you have to see our new video and our next video. And it's really good. You can't skip it. Just watch it. Watch it. It's really good.